In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the calling feature in HubSpot for 2025. If you're looking to streamline your communication process through HubSpot, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk through this setup step by step, ensuring you have everything configured just the way you need. To get started, you're going to need to head over to the HubSpot user guide. You can access this directly by navigating to the website. Once you're at the home page, look for the user guide section. It's designed to help users like you with clear instructions and a dedicated space for all things HubSpot. With this guide, setting up your call feature becomes a straightforward task. Now that you've found yourself in the user guide, the next thing you need to do is locate the settings. Typically, you'll find a settings icon within the guide. It's usually represented by a small gear symbol. Clicking on this will direct you to a new page where you can customize your HubSpot experience. This area is key for managing your preferences and ensuring that your tools are working optimally for your business needs. Once you're in the settings section, you're going to want to click on Calling. This is an integral part of your setup process as it pertains directly to managing your call options. Within the Calling section, you'll find several options that allow you to configure how you'll manage calls through HubSpot's platform. Make sure to explore these options to fully understand the different features available to you. After exploring the calling section, your next step is to click on Call Setup. This is where you fine-tune your calling capabilities. During this part of the process, you're provided with options to customize your call settings to align with your company's communication strategy. HubSpot offers flexibility here to ensure that whether it's outgoing or incoming calls, everything flows seamlessly through your setup. Before wrapping up, double-check that your call setup configurations align with your intended use. Verify that you've selected the right options for your specific context. This attention to detail will help you avoid any hiccups when placing or receiving calls through the HubSpot platform. Now you're all set up and ready to improve communication through HubSpot's versatile service. That wasn't too tough, was it? Now you can manage calls effectively within HubSpot for smooth and professional interactions. Make sure to revisit these settings if your needs change, or if you decide to explore additional features. Enjoy the efficiency of your new setup and let it support your ongoing communication endeavors. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your HubSpot calling setup brings you all the connectivity your business needs. See you next time.